on, we would like to open the floor for question and answers. But while my audience thinks of questions to ask, well, ma'am, we are currently live and we've got over 700,000 Facebook fans who are watching you currently through a webcast. And we've been streaming questions. So we actually have questions for you coming from them. And, well, needless to say, the first question is to you. And it is coming from a fan club which is created by people, and it's called Karina Kolaveri. Oh, all right. Well, ma'am, your question to you is, please describe your association with the company in one color.
Well, definitely the color red.
Okay.
It kind of reflects my personality along with what Sony stands for, which is extremely fashionable and stylish and quite bold, and at the same time is trendy.
Wow, well, there you go, Karina. That's your question answered for you. We actually have another question as well, and this is coming from Oruro Zaza. Very interesting name.
Japanese?
We'll just add a sound to it. I have thought Sony as a best brand. What, according to you, Sony has brought out in your personality?
Well, I've been associated with Sony for the last 4 years, and I think today when you talk about Sony Vaio, the first thing you think of is the size 0 laptop. You think of, obviously, the brand ambassador and the brand that has been so loyal to me. You know, to me, I think Sony's become such a part of me more than my films. It's literally, it runs in my blood now. It's like I look forward every year that, oh my God, I'm shooting the Vaio commercial. I'm so excited. I start training for it like 10 days prior because it's become, I think, one of the most iconic brands in our country today. Just the way they shoot their commercials, I think it makes everybody jealous, trust me, because look at the way they shoot it. It's so stylish, it's so elegant, it's so fashionable. And I think this campaign, the Spark a Trend campaign, is quite cool. It's quite different. I think the most favorite one for me is the red and black one.
Oh, okay.
I think that looks lovely. So, of course, I'm looking forward to receiving the red and black one also this time.
Sure.
But for me, it is. I mean, I think Sony is my most prestigious brand that I have. Apart from it being the best brand in the country. And I'd like to take this opportunity just to thank Sony for just being such a part of me. It's like, अरे Sony Vaio का campaign आज release हुआ. It's literally like that. It's like Friday को जैसे film लगती है, it's like Sony Vaio campaign. That's the kind of feel that it is. So, to me, that's what Sony stands for.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you
so
very much, Karina, your lovely comment. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And well,
And
now,
yes, we witnessed also, double sales every year during the campaign with Karina. And I'm personally very happy to continue our association with you. And I'm very much looking forward
So I'm definitely
to
looking
great
for an
result
appraisal
this year as
from,
well.
on my side for sure for being the brand ambassador. Because they're double sales every year.
Yes. And this is your preference color, black and red, right? I prepared one laptop for her today, all right?
ईशान फ्रॉम न्यूज़ एक्सप्रेस आपसे ना पहले तो आपको दुगनी मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा. आप इतने बढ़िया ब्रांड से एसोसिएट हुई हैं. आपने बताया आपके रगों में दौड़ता है ये ब्रांड. दूसरा एक आपको मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा. सुना है 15 अक्टूबर को आपकी शादी की डेट 16 अक्टूबर को आपकी शादी की डेट आई है. जैसा आपने बताया कि ये ब्रांड आपसे काफ़ी करीब है, तो क्या इस 16 अक्टूबर को आप सैफ को ये लैपटॉप देना चाहेंगी?
Saif already has Vaio, but he uses a Mac.
Hi, this is Ariman Raj, IndiaTVTimes.com. Karina, most of the people within the industry are quite net savvy. So with the usage of Vaio, what are the most common applications you use which are provided with the laptop itself?
Well, I think Vaio's the main application is that it's Windows. It's a personal choice, that everybody has to choose. I mean, we're not actually really competing, but I think most Indians are into Windows. I mean, like my Samaira studies in Ambani school, and she uses a Sony Vaio, and not because I'm the brand ambassador.
By the applications,
but it's completely by a personal choice.
Yeah, the applications, what I mean is the kind of music and the gaming options which are available with the Vaio.
I think that they'll be better to answer that.
Now, which ones do you use? If
I mean,
at all you
I
have
am,
that?
yeah, I mean, I'm actually not too much of a gamer. I don't enjoy playing games. But yeah, I mean, music is great to have, but it's basically surfing the net for like lots of restaurants and yeah, photos and stuff like that. I mean, I'm not too much into playing games.
Myself, Minnie, I'm from 9XM. Karina, this is for you. Here, Karina, here. Yeah. वायु और आप दोनों स्लिम के लिए जानी जाती हैं, तो आप बताएंगे कि स्लिम रहने के लिए आप कितनी मेहनत करती हैं और क्या स्लिम रहना आपको अच्छा लगता है या फिर ये बस ये वायु है और आपको स्लिम रहना है?
Definitely not. I mean, I'm not slim because of bio. That's for sure. I'm slim because I like being fit and that's just the way it is. I mean, being fit, every girl wants to, you know, look good and be fit and, you know, be slim. It was just that at that time, जब मैंने bio sign किया था, तो वो size 0 का जो आप लोगों ने tag दिया था, I'm happy that Sony also kind of, you know, took on and cashed that and just introduced a size 0 laptop. So, I mean, I'm just happy to be the first actress to have a laptop in her name, that's all.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, अभी हमने वीडियो में देखा कि आपके हाथों से स्पार्क निकल रहा था, तो हम ये समझे कि ये बॉलीवुड की नई सुपर वुमेन आ गई है.
I mean, we've not thought of it like it's a superwoman jo concept hai वैसे. We've not thought, it's just, you know, it's more electrifying and just kind of trend setting to spark a trend with its different colors. That's what it stands for, but it's not like I'm representing any superwoman. Well, मैं superhero की बीवी तो बन चुकी हूँ रावण में और I've never really thought of action roles करना मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है, वो तो लोग जानते हैं. डांस करना अच्छा लगता है.
I'm Arpita from the Planman Media. Karina, we see Sony Vaio campaigns are very fashionable as you are. So how much is your personal contribution to the campaigns? I mean, do you also contribute to the idea?
Definitely, because every time they come up with a concept, they have to first run it by me and we kind of sit together and discuss what will work. It also depends on the kind of products they launch. Because earlier campaign was all about, you know, different colors. This is about having the accents on it, just like, you know, streamline around the laptop. So they're going to keep coming out with exciting new products, you know, for the consumer. So it depends a lot on what Vaio launches that particular year in the product that we kind of make a concept. But yes, it is extremely stylish and I think it'll be one of the best ads on television, for sure.
करीना, आप पिछले काफ़ी सालों से इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा हैं. आपने काफ़ी अपने फिल्मों से एंटरटेन किया लोगों को. मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि इतने सालों में आपको बॉलीवुड से सबसे स्पेशल चीज क्या मिली है?
आई थिंक मैं इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की लड़की हूँ. मेरी पैदाइश इंडस्ट्री में हुई है, कपूर खानदान में हुई है, एक्टिंग मेरे रगों में दौड़ता है. आई थिंक दिस इंडस्ट्री हैज गिवन मी एवरीथिंग. इट्स माई entire life. There's nothing more that I could want than to just act in movies.
Karina, hi. Dheeraj from आज तक. आप अपने, अगर हम पूछें आपसे कि आपने सोनी वायो लैपटॉप पे आप एक दिन में कितने घंटे देती हैं और आपके जो वॉलपेपर है उस पे किसकी तस्वीर रहती है?
Well, it would have to be Kian Kapoor. He's my sister's son. He's the most good-looking man in my life right now. He has rosy cheeks, big eyes, lovely lashes, and the most amazing lips. So it's obviously his face that I love to see every day and on my laptop. Well, I don't need to describe Saif here.
Well, hi Karina, this is Mrunmayee from Maharashtra Times. As you said, you like dancing. I would like to ask your opinion. Recently, Saroj Khan ma'am, the ace choreographer, stated that item songs are the reason for the degradation of dance in Indian cinema. As all of us know that Chamak Chhallo is one of the greatest hits all time.
But Chamak Chhallo is not an item song.
Yeah, but it is considered as so. And even
That's
in the
because
upcoming,
you guys consider it.
Okay, and what about Halkat Jawani, the upcoming
part of the film?
Yeah, so what would you like to comment on that?
I'd like to request you to kindly restrain questions
they're all
to the
songs
brand.
from the movie.
Hi, Mihir from CNN IBN. Just one question. Considering you like to surf the net on your laptop, being a person who's just 4 months away from her wedding, what do you surf on the net for? Is it jewelry, the best dress, or is it something else?
Your question doesn't interest me as much. Sorry.
Thank you so much,
Karina,
ladies and
Karina,
gentlemen.
Karina,
That was
Karina,
the last question. I
Karina,
request our ushers to kindly take away the microphones.
Karina, आपके इतने फैंस हैं, सबको एक बात का इंतजार है कि क्या वाकई में 16 अक्टूबर को आपकी शादी हो रही है कि नहीं?
Thank you, mere bhaiya.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Kapoor. Thank you so much, Tamasan. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you very, very much, Tamasan. Thank you very, very much to all our friends from the press.